Is administrative law is included in CLAT PG 2020 syllabus or not? Hello everyone, welcome to Research Academy. This is Sudipta, founder of Research. Today we're going to talk about is administrative law included in CLAT PG 2020 syllabus or not. Now we have got a lot of queries, lot of questions from a lot of students asking us, sir, whether administrative law is included or not. Now the confusion has arisen because of two pages of consortium of nlus.ac.in. नाउ इस वेबसाइट में दो पेज है पीजी के अंदर, क्लैट पीजी के अंदर एक पेज है क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट जिसमें बेसिकली लिखा हुआ है सिलेबस क्या क्या है। सिलेबस है सातों सब्जेक्ट सिलेबस है, लाइक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जुरिस्प्रूडेंस, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, टॉर्ट, क्रिमिनल लॉ, इंटरनेशनल लॉ एंड आईपीआर। एंड वेयर एज और एक पेज है दैट इज syllabus and guide. In that page it has been mentioned, like in that page total information has been given regarding कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आएगा एंड किस टाइप से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा एंड हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट। इन दैट पर्टिकुलर पेज ऑफ द क्लैट वेबसाइट जिसमें मेंशन किया हुआ है कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम administrative law as well. Now the student is quite confused what to include, what not to include. Like administrative law students, they should prepare for the administrative law or they should not prepare for the administrative law. So that's why they have asked, they raised the query in the CLAT consortium and they got the reply like this, like all the primary core law subjects of LLB will be covered in the syllabus. Administrative law and the criminal law both will be included. Now here what they have clarified is that administrative law will be included and that will be updated soon. It hasn't been updated yet, but that will be updated soon on the website, that administrative law will be included in the syllabus. Now the question is, all the core subjects of the LLB, does that mean there are other subjects that will be included too? Let's see what happens, but might be included like other subjects. Two or three other subjects can be included with the administrative law in the syllabus. Now the question is this the good thing that has happened to the CLAT PG 2020 students? Absolutely not, because only 3-4 months are left. Now you're adding 1 or 2 subjects in the syllabus. That's not a good idea. Either you should have been informed in the November when the press release came into the picture. They should have told the students that the 1 or more subjects that will be included, so that they're mentally prepared. They might have studied the administrative law bit, but now all the 7 subjects will be there and suddenly you have to study the administrative law as well. Every year they are changing something. Now the administrative law is coming into the picture, so let's see what will happen. They will update regarding the same, but nonetheless this administrative law will be there for you in the syllabus until they are clarifying what they are going to do. Either they are sticking with the criminal law or they are going to add the administrative law or other subjects as well. So this is one clarification that we wanted to make, so don't get too much fuss about it. Whatever it's written, they are going to clarify. You have raised a lot of students raised the objection, so they are going to clarify very soon regarding that. The second important thing, one mistake that was made in the last video regarding the eligibility, the 55% percentage of LLB that was required for your CLAT LLM eligibility criteria, but that is not the case. It was there in 2019, so that is not the case in CLAT PG 2020. Now eligibility criteria is 50% marks in CLAT PG. So if you have 50% marks and you are general category, you can definitely appear for the CLAT PG exam. And also for SC, ST and OBC, it is 45% marks in LLB or equivalent degree. So you can definitely apply for the same. That is one update that we want to give it to you alongside with the administrative law. These two things are very important that we wanted to share with you. And we are making the video of how to fill up the online application form, and side by side what would be your preferences for the CLAT PG and the universities and specialization. And we are making this video so that we are requesting all of you wait for 10 to 15 days. We will be giving you all the information regarding the universities, कौन सी universities में कौन सा preferences में कौन से specialization में आपको जाना चाहिए. अगर आपको ये IPR लेना है, corporate law लेना है, and anything that you are thinking of it, we are making a video regarding the same. So that will help you out कि कौन सा choose करना है preference में, कौन सा बाद में choose करना है. So that will help you out definitely. So wait for 10 to 15 days for that. And these are the information that we wanted to share with you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with your CLAT PG fellow aspirants, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, CLAT PG crash course January batch, it just started 1 days back. So if you want to know more details, just click below, just go to the description box and you will get the details. Click the link below, and if you want to ask anything, kindly type in the comment box. We might not be able to reply you back instantly or within some days, but nonetheless we are taking note of your point, your queries. We are definitely making a video regarding the same in the coming weeks, so don't worry about it, but let us know about your queries, what you are facing and anything. Okay, and also that's our WhatsApp number. You can definitely WhatsApp us your query as well. So we're going to meet again very soon regarding the how to fill up your online application form and different preferences for LLM universities. So hope to see you soon. Thank you.